Welcome back, witches and warlocks. I'm back with another Halloween tutorial. Starting off going in with my not polished black, not polished Ask Me to team. I'ma just keep asking until y'all say yes, so just be prepared to be tagged every day. So my base is done. I'm going in with that Koopa matte top coat because that's the look I'm going for. I want a matte look today. Then I'm going to take some IBD gel, a dotting tool, and the gel polishes of my choice. We're going to take the IBD gel, put it on the palette. You only need a little bit because when you add the gel polish to it, it manipulates the consistency and makes it much easier to work with. Now going in with a gel liner brush, you can use a dotting tool, but I prefer this. You're going to float over the nail in a circular motion, and then you're just going to drag upwards. You're not going to drag against the surface, you're just going to pull up, and that's how you get the effect of it still being thick at the end, and then it gets tapered and slendered as you go up. And you can do as many dots as you want to do, girl. You know, you get some of the girls with the beautiful big nail beds, and then you get some girls whose fingers stop growing in kindergarten with them itty bitty nail beds. And then you can also do some drips going down. That's what I'm going to do. It's going to be so cute. And you just want to go ahead and connect those drips together and then fill it in. And as I said before, the consistency was really easy to work with, but if you need extra help, you can always flash cure in between if you're having issues. Now I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe with some alcohol on it to wipe away the sticky inhibition layer from the gel polish and the IBD hard gel. And there she go, girl. She's cute. I hope y'all come back and see me tomorrow because we're doing it up for Halloween, okay?